me just think of watching your video. You know, the one where you're dressed in, you think you have a bra on and maybe underwear, women's underwear, and you have a rag, and you're just wiping down different things. And it looks like you're in New York City, and you're just wiping different things, and you're kind of flicking it around people, but not too close. Like you're just kind of playing with, the different areas between people. I found that amazing. I found that futuristic.
That's so humiliating and bad. I can't believe you brought that up, man. That's so embarrassing.
We interpret this sound. Because when this sound, this collision of air molecules, which travels or propagates as mechanical waves, collides with your air, it goes into your air and your basilar or basilar membrane converts this and interprets this as octave. So we've established that there's a limitation in the frequencies of sound, and we've established that there's a limitation in terms of how we interpret sound. So we have explored the philosophical
contrasting images that somehow this artist's creativity allowed him to juxtapose these two disparate objects in a cohesive kind of way. Object, or any sound that is created from a force, and an already established fundamental force.